Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've had the opportunity to do another Starline i96 on a brand new Land Rover Defender 2021. How the system works, if someone was to clone this key here, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So I put my foot on the brake, try and start it, it will start and switch off. Really clever, really straightforward. So what the customer has to do now is every time he jumps in the vehicle, he turns on the ignition, goes through a push sequence. So here we've done something basic. So 1, 2, 3, passenger window button. There you go, receive the melody, now start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle's now running. Okay, really clever, really straightforward. If the customer wants to take the car for a service, this is also straightforward, and the way he would do that is basically ignition on, go through a disarm, so 1, 2, 3, receive a melody. There you go, then hit this button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, key back on. There you go, 2 bleeps. So this is now in valet mode. So the customer can start it up, drive it, move it around, give it for a wash, take it for a service, don't have to disclose the code. When he gets the vehicle back, all he basically done is ignition on and insert his code. 1, 2, 3, get a double bleep. There you go, out of valet mode. Sorry. Also, if you wanted to change the code, this is also very straightforward. And the way he would do that is main ignition on, disarm the system, so 1, 2, 3, receive a confirmation melody. There you go. And then hit one of the buttons on the network, which I know, this one, 5 times, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, pause, key back on. You get 5 bleeps. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to change it to this one here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, wait for confirmation. And repeat it again. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, you can have any combinations. You can have that one, that one, that one. You can have several, anything from 3 up to 21 pushes. I'm just making it easy for videos. There you go. We've received our confirmation. So now if we leave it about 10 seconds, wait for it to immobilise. Obviously, if we do it in less than 10 seconds, we're hearing melody, that means it's less than 10 seconds and we can start it. So let's go. So ignition on, try and start it, foot on the brake, vehicle doesn't start. So again, main ignition on, insert your push sequence, which we've changed. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle's up and running. Okay, really straightforward. As I said, this is the new Land Rover Defender 2021. I mean, we've done one a few months ago. There was no supporting software. Now they're supporting software, button software. So you can actually use button sequence, or you can pair it up to your phone. Either way, great way of disarming the system. Very covert. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Right, let's disarm it. So 1, 2, 3, melody. Start the vehicle. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.